Hello everyone, welcome again in data structures class. So in this video we are going to talk about abstract data types and basically what's the difference between abstract data types and data structures. So let's get started. What is an abstract data type? Basically this is the model or the logical description for a certain data structure. It is like a super type in programming in Java. For example, an interface where we define that what's going to be the behavior, what method we would like to implement. So we just define what method and functions the data structure will have. So we define the basic behavior without the concrete implementation. We don't know that how the behavior is going to be implemented with the help of two for loops or while loops or nested if else, check-in or whatsoever. We just know that what's going to be the behavior. What's very important is that it is just the model. The abstract data type doesn't specify the concrete implementation or the programming language. Basically this is what the user knows. Example, we have the stack. We know that we would like to have three methods: the push method, the pop method, and the peek method. The push is going to be add an item to the data structure. The pop is going to return and retrieve an item from the data structure, and a peek is going to return an item without removing it from the data structures. But we know nothing about the concrete implementation, that how are going to store the items in the data structures, how we are going to implement the push method. We just know that push, pop and pick, that's it. So this is the concrete implementation. So push, pop and pick method are needed, and basically this is why the abstract data type came to be, because it's going to define the behaviors. Now discuss data structures. Here you can see multiple definition. The data structures on the other hand are the concrete implementation of the data. What I'm saying, concrete implementation of the data as compared to the abstract data type. Abstract data type is not about the concrete implementation. Data structure is about the concrete implementation of the data. You can read here the concrete implementation, the actual representation of the data. uh, the aim is to be able to store and retrieve data in an efficient manner. So what we are looking for, what we would like to be able to insert and find item in order 1. So constant time complexity, and we would like to be able to retrieve item in order 1, constant time complexity as well. Of course this is the best scenario. Sometime you are not able to reach this threshold, and we are not able to do every operation in order one time complexity, but this is what we are after. So for example, arrays, linked list and binary tree are data structure. We have the concrete implementation. So we have the abstract data type, just the model, just the super type, and just the specification, and data structure are the concrete implementation. So we have the abstract data type with the concrete behavior. We can implement stack with the help of arrays or linked list data structures. We have the queue abstract data type and could implement queue with the help of array and linked list data structure. We have the priority queue with an abstract data type, and this is the concrete implementation of the priority queue. We have dictionary and hash map and arrays as the underlying data structures. So it's very important that data structures this is very important that abstract data types and data structures are not independent from each other, in the sense that abstract data type ADT are specification, and every ADT abstract data type have an underlying data structures that's going to be implement the behavior that has been specified in the abstract data type. So these are the some abstract data type, and these are the data structure. That's the difference between the abstract data type and the data structures. Here you can see one more diagram. This is the application is in the running form, and this is the interface. So this is the abstract data type, this is the height data types, this is the height working, this is not the in the application only we will produce the interface, and we will hide the actual implementation. So ADT is basically what the user knows. So ADT, abstract data type, are those that we do not implement directly. We need arrays, etc. That's the difference between ADT and DTS. Thanks for watching and listening.